YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. We're getting ready to review the 360 Fusion IQ hat press, the latest hat press that Stahls has today. Let's get into this. As you guys can see, it has a very nice touch panel right here that you can fully customize using the Stahls. I've never seen such a fancy hat press. And you can set your own custom settings. I'm really brand new with it, so I'm not gonna do too much messing around, but they already have it set at 15 seconds. And I'm assuming it's gonna be at 180 to probably 220 because we are pressing on a hat today. Flex style, okay, so it tells you what you're working with. You hit the X, and then you can set you a new preset if you would like, 290 for 15 seconds. It even tells you the pressure. Look at that. The pressure is at a 4 on here, guys. Let's go to the second page. Okay, so it just goes to the different parts of that original page. Right down to the time and the date. So we'll tap the house icon, which you can see the heat press is going up to 290, and we're gonna press for 15 seconds our hat. But this is a horse, y'all. The bottom as well as the top are both heated. Has a nice fully functional lever back here to adjust your hat. So no messing around with that. I like how the platen has a little bit of give on the sides. So this ensures that your hat does not get that awful crease that you tend to get when you use the original hat presses. Hey y'all, I'm in love. We'll close it up. Snug as a bug. Nice pullover action. Not too overbearing on the arms. It's got the iconic Hotronix on the side of the press. And look at that there. Auto open. Beautiful. And you see the screen lit up for the green to tell you essentially it was done. This thing is a beast. Shouts out to the squad. All things style. J Stahls. You dig? You dig? And my homeboy 12 going Apparel. Shout out to them. Y'all go check their pages out. Like, comment, and share. Also, I had mentioned that I'm getting ready to drop press time products, which is a sublimation with blanks. The first ones that we'll have is States. So DM me or drop a comment in this video. However, the website is on its way to being done. So these are some of the blanks that they offer at Stahls Transfer. And this is the blank cap. It's a 6-panel. I like to call this the netted bag. Because you guys know, I know a thing or two about hats. You know, I gotta keep the island heated. That's what I do. But this is a 940 cap, the new era. And we're gonna customize it today, and we're gonna put a transfer on there. So it's almost like a trucker hat, but it's not. And I love how there is no actual divided line right here. So it should just lay on there smoothly. This should be ideal for such a Cadillac press, such as that. So what you do is you have your lever, and it's up right now, and it's actually inside the hat. And what you're trying to do is get the perfect fit. Now, the actual cap press is at an angle, so to get the best conformity, you hold it there, push this down, and it will lock the hat in place. So we're gonna do us a little pre-press just to make sure we're like where it's positioned at. Always pre-press your items, and if you can, hit it with the lint roller to remove all moisture. It opens so smoothly. Oh yeah. I could tell you what, this is definitely the future, guys. So we're getting ready to affix this Marshall Spartans onto the essential cap. It looks like I got myself a new cap. It's not a Cleveland cap, but it's a new cap. Hey. Usually want to use some type of heat tape, but I'm pretty confident that this isn't going to go anywhere, as this is a very well-made machine. So we're shooting for the center line. Want the top of the Spartan shield to be at that center. let it do its thing for 15 seconds. Very well built. I'm not sure if this is a cool pill or a warm pill. Let's just do a test real quick. Oh, it's a cool pill. So we'll let that cool off. And while that's doing that, it's time to shout out some of the squad constituents. So you know I gotta shout out some of the squad constituents, as they do help the channel grow. And they also help educate, uplift, and motivate others that are in the group. So the first one we're gonna shout out is Ivana Baldusa. Hey, we appreciate your efforts in the squad. You uplifted, motivating, and dropping tips, hints, and knowledge. Squad constituent, for sure. Next one, Mick Dorsey. Appreciate you, brother. Love how you contribute to the group. And feel free to post, man. There's people out there that's looking. Trust me, they're definitely looking. I always send them to you. We appreciate having you on the squad. And last but not least, we're gonna go with James Kakarai. James, we appreciate having you in the squad. A lot of folks don't know you. I know you personally. Salute to all your efforts, and you know, let's grow together.
Come over to Stahls. This is where it's happening, where you get all the Transfer Express custom transfers.
Yo, I made my first boo-boo at Stahls. But hey, I make the mistake so you don't have to. So, unbeknownst to me, even though I did mention in the beginning of the film, the heat press bottom platen is extremely hot as well. So with this being warm, it ultimately wasn't giving this enough time to cool. Because I'm like, why isn't it coming off? And I actually damaged the hat. And it's a nice hat, y'all. The colorway was Fuego. I just want to cry right now. But we shall persevere, we shall keep moving, and we shall stay motivated. Let's press up this other hat. So it definitely was user error. I should have gave it the proper time to like cool, because it would have came out fire. And I still like it, y'all. Press it one more time and I'm gonna rock it. That's what I'm gonna do. But the Fusion IQ 360 press is definitely something that you are going to want to cop. And don't forget to hit those affiliate links down below, y'all. Go ahead and copy one. I definitely want one. Hey, Stahls, your boy need a proper hat press. The other one is a mass press. Can't do nothing with it. Always losing money with it. But this right here is the future. And I would like to say shout out to Stahls for having me out. I greatly appreciate you guys. But until the next one,